Hello and welcome to our channel. I am Alexander Podorevsky from GMP-inspection-com, and in this video, I will briefly talk about what a GMP inspection is and what it involves. A GMP inspection is a control measure carried out by the authorities to verify compliance with the GMP guidelines at a specific pharmaceutical company. The GMP guidelines are an international standard that defines the requirements for the manufacture of human and veterinary medicinal products, as well as active ingredients, food supplements, and cosmetics. The abbreviation GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practice. The GMP guidelines cover all the requirements that a pharmaceutical company must meet, from the temperature specifications in warehouses and production facilities to the work clothing worn by employees. GMP standards are not recommendations, but precisely defined, strict regulations that are in place to guarantee the efficacy, safety, and harmlessness of medicinal products for end users. Compliance with these regulations is checked in the course of GMP inspections. Qualified and specially trained GMP inspectors usually assess the pharmaceutical manufacturer's site for several days. There are a number of areas that are part of a GMP inspection, such as premises. Not only the actual production rooms are inspected, but, among other things, also the warehouse, the incoming goods area, dispatch, provision, and other operational rooms. Production, which entails the inspection of all production lines, equipment, and systems relevant to the production, filling and packaging of the products registered for inspection. Building technology and HVAC. This primarily refers to the water, compressed air, and nitrogen supply, as well as the complete air conditioning of all rooms. Management and personnel. This includes job descriptions, training, hygiene standards, work clothing, and much more. Supplier management. This involves closely examining agreements for the delimitation of pharmaceutical responsibilities, contracts with all service providers, and audit reports from relevant service providers. Quality control. The GMP inspectors inspect the qualification status of all scales and devices, maintenance documents, audit reports from laboratories for microbiological analysis, and the storage of reference standards. Quality assurance, which involves the thorough assessment of all aspects impacting quality, for instance, process validation. Another important point is the GMP inspector's detailed examination of the documentation relating to the pharmaceutical quality system, all implemented tests and monitoring procedures, stability studies, and manufacturing-related processes. The aim of a GMP inspection is to determine, by means of an objective, independent review, whether deviations and defects occur in the areas previously mentioned that could impair product quality and pose a risk to the patient. If this is the case, the pharmaceutical manufacturer is instructed to rectify any deficiencies found. Penalties may also be imposed, or the manufacturing authorization may be revoked. Over time, several types of GMP inspections have been established. A distinction is mainly made between routine inspections, for-cause inspections, and follow-up inspections. A routine GMP inspection is a GMP inspection that is carried out at regular intervals and for the purpose of extending the validity of an already issued GMP certificate or another document that confirms compliance with the GMP guidelines. A for-cause GMP inspection or an unplanned GMP inspection takes place at the request of the respective pharmaceutical company or the competent authority. For-cause inspections take place when processes are fundamentally changed or serious deviations have been detected. A follow-up GMP inspection or reinspection is, as the name suggests, an inspection that serves to check the results of a previous GMP inspection. However, this does not mean that only the evidence of the completion of the CAPA plan from the previous, perhaps failed, GMP inspection is checked. Firstly, a GMP reinspection can be carried out by completely different GMP inspectors from the same authority, who have a different focus regarding the production and quality control processes due to their own experience. Secondly, a previously failed GMP inspection is often a signal to the next inspectors that something is not right at that manufacturer's plant and that there may be more issues. Therefore, a pharmaceutical company is usually inspected even more thoroughly during a follow-up inspection than during the initial inspection. When classifying GMP inspections, a distinction must also be made between domestic and foreign GMP inspections. During a domestic inspection, the safety of the medicinal products and all production stages are inspected by the local regulatory authorities. In the case of foreign inspections, GMP inspectors from a regulatory authority in another country travel to a local pharmaceutical manufacturer to certify the activities and processes taking place there. A distinction is made between the following activities, which often take place at different locations: manufacture of active pharmaceutical ingredients, manufacture of medicinal products, manufacture of intermediate products, manufacture of bulk products, primary packaging, secondary packaging, contract manufacturing, and quality control of medicinal products. A distinction is also made between the types of products registered for GMP inspection, namely, sterile medicinal products, non-sterile medicinal products, biologicals, phytotherapeutics, homeopathic remedies, and medical devices. GMP-inspection-com, based in Nuremberg, specializes in the linguistic support of foreign GMP inspections in Russian, English, and German. We are most frequently called upon when a pharmaceutical manufacturer is expecting an inspection by an authority from the US, Belarus, Kazakhstan, or Russia. If you are also preparing for a GMP inspection by a foreign authority and require experienced language professionals, we are always there for you. We also offer the representation of foreign pharmaceutical and medical device companies and the distribution of their products in Germany. Just contact us for more information, and we will be happy to help you.